Hi everyone, this is Linda. Today I'm going to do a video review of My Memory Suite digital scrapbooking software. Um, I'm going to be giving away a copy of this particular software, and I'll leave the links below this video. And I also have a $10 discount code for those of you who'd rather not enter the giveaway, or maybe you're watching this video after the giveaway has already ended. But all the information will be below this video. Okay? So we're going to get started. This is what it looks like when you start up your My Memory Suite software. There's two different options that we're going to be doing today. We're going to first create our own from a designer template. It's just so simple. And we're going to design our own. It's really easy. They're both very, very easy. Okay, so I just want to show you real quick a couple of them that I made up this weekend. This is a page of my little cousins. Aren't they cute? They're adorable. But anyway, actually all I did was use the pre-made template that came with the software. I just added in my pictures, and basically they all just kind of popped into place. And I'll show you how easy that is in just a minute, but I just wanted to show you what I did real quick. We're actually going to use these same pictures or some similar in when we get to design it. Okay, and then another one, the one that I did, let's see, we'll pick this one. And this one was just, I designed my own, so I just added my own background, my own paper, and I put the pictures in here, and I actually put a mat around each of them, and added my own words. It was very simple. It took less than 5 minutes. So I'm going to hope to keep this video very short. I just really want to show you how easy it is to make this software work. Okay, so let's start a new album, and we'll do the create album from designer template. And I'm going to use my cousins again on this one, so let's do see if we can find one for little girls. There's all different kinds in here to pick from. I might use the same one that I used before. And so we're just going to click next. And here you can take out or drag in if you want, like, to put in more pages, you can do that, but I really don't want any more pages in there. That's alright. Okay. We're going to do the fast fill option. This is so cool. So it automatically inserts your photos. So we're going to choose that option and go next. Now, let me go back to my pictures here. Documents. And my pictures. And I forget what I have here. Here we go. Let's just pick some of these, okay? We're going to hold down the control key so we can select more than one at a time. Please pick. Take that one out. Let's see what this one is. Let's use that. Okay, then we're going to click OK. And then here you can actually rearrange the pictures. So since she was born before Christmas, we're going to put Christmas at the end. And Dakota was the first one that was born. And so we'll put her up here. And up here. And then Trinity and Dakota. Okay, that looks good. So here we're going to click next. And I don't really do this. I do this at the end. So I just click finish. And it's going to create the album for us. And all the pictures are going to instantly be put into the layout that we chose. Very cool. Now look. How cool was that? They're just instantly in there. This pop-up comes up and says trim area, large area photo album. Please notice that the darkened area around the album page. This area shows the portion of the page that may be cut off or trimmed when your album is bound into a book. To prevent any items from being trimmed or incorrectly cut off, please move them towards the center of the page so that they are not covered by the darker trim area. So that's easy enough. So this dark area out here, anything that's in there is going to be cut off if you were to put it into an album or print it. So basically all you do is you just click on the template and you can resize it actually. Okay. And with this one up here, I guess all two layers will be. So all we have to do is click on them and move them layer by layer, or make them a little smaller. I'm on the wrong layer here. Here we go. Just shrink it a little bit. Click on the bow and move the bow down. Move the picture. Okay. This one, let's see what happened here. You don't want our face covered up. You just move that around. Or you could actually take it off if you don't want it there. And same here, it's going to be cut off, so we'll just move it over. And we click on this layer, move it, and okay, so it's really simple to use. You just click on each thing that you want to move. You can make them smaller, you can make them bigger. Okay, very easy to do. So here you can enter your text. I'm just going to delete that. And over here we'll just click on add, I think. Oh no, that's not it. I just hit the delete key to get rid of that. So let's see. Let's pick something random. And we're going to want it pretty big. 36, we'll say. And let's start typing. This is Dakota. She was born in 2009, I think. Okay, so then we can actually, if we don't like that font, we just highlight it with the cursor. And let's pick this one. And we want it centered. And I want to change the color. Actually, you can match the color to the page, to something on the page. So let's do that. It seems to be going kind of slow today. Figures, right? So I actually want it in green. So you can barely see it down here that it comes up in green. So we're going to click OK. And that should change the color. And we can make it bold. Just really easy to do. This is just super simple. Okay? Then we go on to the next page. And see all the pictures we put, they're all in there. So then again, actually this one looks pretty good. There's only a little bit out in the gray area. Just leave that. Okay, and up here, we just add in the text the same way as we did before. We probably want it like a 36, and then just write something. Whoops, that's too big. Huh. Put something like that. Okay, and then you just write whatever you want to write. But we're not going to do that because we're limited on time. And so over here you would probably want to move this baby, this Y, over a little bit. See, you just click on each thing and move it. It's really easy. Super easy. You can't get any easier than that. And then this is the last page that we made. Okay. Well, actually, here's another one. This is going to be the same one. So actually, I don't want this page in here. So I just right click on it, or yeah, right click on it and click delete page, and then that page is gone. Okay, so that's all there is to it. Everything is already done. It's so easy. So now we're going to let's see, what should we do? I guess we can share it. Now you can print it, you can export it. That's how we're going to email it to our friends, or you can put it on Facebook actually. You can make a photo album, you can make a calendar, all movies, all kinds of things. So let me see what this does. Yes, let's save it, and here we can rename it. And you can change where you're gonna put it. I usually like to put it on my desktop so I can find it, because I got too many files on my computer. So we're gonna save it there and click OK. Okay. Please note you must have access to the internet. Actually, if you're going to change pages, if you just want to put in like one or two of them, you can just unmark these if you don't want them included, but we'll keep them there. And click next. And here, this is like you're going to make a photo album, so you can actually choose a color that complements this if you want, or you can just leave it white or black or something. Let's choose pink. That looks pretty good, huh? Then here you can write what you want. Or if you don't want anything on it, you just have it plain, just click this. Okay, and then spine text color. I guess we'll keep it as black. And here is just your settings. So here, we're not going to do this because this is how you purchase it. It would actually go right onto the My Memories suite. But we don't want to do that, so let's cancel it. And what we're going to do really quickly is we'll just go ahead and export the pages, and we're going to email them. So the image size large is massive. You're going to want to put it down here to the web email. Then it looks good when the recipient receives it. And there's the location that we chose earlier, and finish. So then you go back to your where you saved it, and then you can just preview them there, or you can just do it when you're putting them in your email. Okay, we're not going to actually do the email portion of it because I don't have my email set up. But anyway, okay, so that was really simple. That was just doing the create your own album from a designer template. Remember, and we automatically had our pictures inserted. So next we're going to design our own. And you can pick different sizes, okay? We'll just stick with a standard one for now. It's going to come up as a blank page. So we're going to choose background papers. And here you can have them as a plain color. We're not going to do that. We're going to choose paper. And I actually want something a little dark for this one. I'll just go through and show you some of these real quick. Let's see what large jewel is. Okay, that's like big diamonds. I don't want that. See, these all come pre-made right into the software. Okay, so you get a lot with your software to start out. And of course, if you want to add on more, you can through the My Memories suite or mymemories.com website. I want red. Let's see what this goes. Whee, that's bright, huh? Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to insert and add a photo. Let's see, I had some already made up. I don't remember where I put them. Here they are. Okay, this is going to be this guy here. He recently passed away. He was a member in my dad's country music band. So we're gonna see if I can do this. Let's pick a couple of them. I want ones with him in them. So Shift or Control. Oh, I guess it's not gonna work. All right, we'll just have to put one in at a time. Let's do this one. All right, I'll just move it up here. We actually might make it a little smaller because I want to put in a little more than just one picture. So insert, add photo. We're going to pick this one and put it down here and just go like this. A little smaller. Okay. Then what we're going to do is going to add some text. And you can just make it bigger or smaller or whatever. You can make it wider. So let me think here. Actually, you know what? That's not what I want to do. I'm going to delete that. Can I do that? Oh, here. Remove. I just got this software a few days ago, so I'm still learning here. Okay, Word Art Designer. That's what I wanted to do. Okay, Word Art, see? That looks great. Let's pick, this, and the fill, I don't want a gradient. I actually just want a solid color. Okay, black will do. And up here we're right. Right, and I think it needs to be. Whoop, that's too small, huh? Okay, well you can just play around with it. We're not gonna make it perfect because this is for demo only. Okay, and then I want to add a drop shadow to that, and just make it like that. And that's about it. Okay, so that's the text. We used Word Art for that, okay? Now if you wanted to go ahead and add the text, that's when the box comes in and then you can resize it, okay? But I like to use the Word Art for that. Embellishments, there's all kinds of things that we can add that come pre-built excuse me, pre-built into the software. So we got all these simple brads here. We got buttons, all different sizes and things like that. What would look good? These are good for like back to school things, right? Okay, pick one real quick. Let's pick one that complements it. Let's see, move this down. And about charcoal. And apply. Close. And there's our button. See now, whoops, I actually made it smaller. So I actually want to make it a little bigger. So you can just play around with it. And then you can just keep adding on with other, embellishments here. You can actually add a drop shadow to that. Make it look more realistic. Shapes. Oh, we're not going to do that. Okay, so we're pretty much to the end of here already. Of course, you want to put in more words and everything like that. What we can do is go back to photos here, and whoops, we can click on the photo, and then you can add a matte around it. You can change the color. You can change how big we want it. Okay, it's very easy, super easy. Do the same with this one. We can put a different color around it. We can add this. See, super easy, very easy. So that's about all of it. Let's see. One more thing I wanted to show you is we're going to see if we can add some, you can actually talk and you can actually add audio into this. Excuse me. So you can, like if you're sending it to somebody, you can actually tell them what it's about. That's pretty cool, huh? Now let's see if we can add music. Well, we don't want Sweet Home Alabama in there really, but we can put it in there for the heck of it, right? So then we can open that up and stick that in there. So that's really cool, right? So that this way when you go to send it to somebody, they have music playing in the background, which is really cool. So you can check the album here. You can actually check it for spelling, which is really cool. Let's see if there's any errors in there. We'll just write that. Okay, it has no errors. Let's see. Check to see what the interactive album does. Okay, this one you could actually burn it directly to a DVD or a disc or a CD, which is cool. So you can actually, get all your pages together and make a DVD for somebody and send it out to them. Or they would make really nice gifts too. So anyway, I think that's about it. Once again, I'm going to be giving away a copy of this software. Check the link below for my website. Also, there's a $10 off coupon code that I have below this video too.